What is it? You need to keep away from it. You see monkeys. So I'm just cleaning up where there's been a poop there, that's all. Yes. I did pick the poo up first. Just out of interest. No, she's got no milk for you. You coming out, you two? No. You're stopping here where it's warm, Mum. Okay. You can come out, you know. And they do come out as well. Obviously, you've seen them out. They just wanted to go back in after they've eaten. But they are out. I think we've got another toilet over there, have we? No? No. Come out then! Come out! Let's have yours. Let me get you out. Come on out here. Have you got stuck or something? Have you got stuck? Come on. It's about you. Are you coming out? Come on. Come on. Out you come, Mrs. Bonnie Buns. Bonnie Bonnies. Now you've had a warm. That's it. You show them, Lexi. Bonnie's trying to tunnel out.